This Anasazi Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Aaron Davies. Secluded camping area with easy access to a graveled county road. This land has quick access to the Colorado River, being about 15 miles from the Westwater Boat Ramp and even closer to the Cisco Boat Ramp. When you are not running the river, you can jump on the Kokopelli Bike Trail, which is at the corner of the property. With 80 acres, you have room to build a warm-up track. While remote, you are only about 50 miles from Moab for easy resupply. There are power lines in the area with possible hookup. This amazing property could become the best base camp you and your friends have experienced. For more information, review the details below.